Hello everyone and welcome to the tips and tricks shortcut number 7. So again we'll discuss few interesting techniques here. Now here if you look at here the root of 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into root of 1 plus 5 and so on, it is equal to 1 into 3. So if you see the sequence, this is 1, then it is 2, then 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, if I start from 2, then 2 into root of 1 plus 3 into root of 1 plus 4 into root of 1 plus 5 into root of 1 plus 6 and so on. Now here the pattern is starting from 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this value is always equal to 2 into 4 which is 8. Similarly 3 into 1 plus 4 into root of 1 plus 5 into root of 1 and so on. This is equal to 3 into 3 plus 2, 5 which is 15 here. So if you observe the pattern, then in general, we can define that if it is starting from something like this, n into root 1 plus n plus 1 into root of 1 plus n plus 2 into root of 1 plus n plus 3 into root of 1 plus n plus 4 and so on. And this value, it is always equal to n into n plus 2 that we have seen in the previous these three examples here. So a very interesting formula or interesting result here. So I hope that you all understood this trick also. So if you want to keep yourself updated with the latest tips and tricks, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can also join our Telegram channel and the Facebook group, the link of which has been provided in the description. Thank you.